Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Box number 4 out of 4, 2009 National Treasures. It is number, as Chris does, number 206. If you guys are looking for Mojo, check out the SPX Football. Check out the Leaf Limited. Check out the 09 Ultimate Baseball boxes. Unbelievable. I'm ready to smell the lacquer. Here we go. First time I busted this, so bear with me. Smells so good. Yum. Alright, good luck, guys. 2009 National Treasures. I'm going to mute the TV just to hear the little crack opening. Let's hear it. Here we go. Oh my god, such a good sound right there. I would buy the box just for that sound. Start it up, and wow, I really smell it now. I really smell the lacquer. There's no pack. No, I'm just kidding. There is a pack. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Close the box up. Sorry if I gave everyone in Blag a heart attack. There is a pack. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slide the base. I see a Ravens on top, so that's always good. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna slide it, just so I don't see it. But first base will be for the Bills. I'm gonna go through these slow, just because it's high end. Andre Reed for the Bills, and that's out of 99. 86 out of 99. My hands are kind of shaking. For the Bills. Next up is for my Ravens, a Ray Rice base. Wow, I still smell the lacquer. That one's numbered eBay 1 of 1, numbered 1 out of 99. And next card, trying to hide it. My hands are shaking. It is for the Panthers. For the Panthers, dual jersey autograph. For the Panthers of D'Angelo Williams. Low number in there, though. 6 out of 7. 6 out of 7 are right over there. D'Angelo Williams. Dual jersey auto. I don't know. My hands, I don't know why they're shaking. Normally I'm alright. Feeling something nice, maybe. Next, a rookie jumbo jersey for the Browns of Mohamed Massaquoi. Jumbo jersey, numbered 26 out of 50. For the Browns. Next up, I see Cowboys. Oh my god, is it a quad? It's a quad auto. Quad auto for the all Cowboys. All Cowboys. Who I think April said we need some Cowboys. We hit a Cowboy. Roger Staubach, Jetro Pugh, Bob Lilly, and Lance Allworth. Numbered 8 out of 15. Nice card, quad auto. I love those. I saw Chris just pulled one with like Dan Marino and Joe Montana on it. But that's sick. Let me show you one more time. There's the... Actually, that's the back. This is the front. Roger Staubach up top. And there's the back. So, Andy, congrats on that. Next card is a Century. It is part of the sleeve for the patch, I guess you can consider it. Chad Ochocinco Gold, and that one's numbered 26 out of 50 for the Bengals. Chad Ochocinco. How many cards are left here? 3 cards remaining. 3 cards. For the Steelers, who were traded. This one will go to Jason Christo. It is a Frank Summers autograph. That one's numbered 77 out of 99. Frank Summers auto. And then we have a quad jersey. Quad jersey. Make sure there's no anything else. No, numbered at a 99. Eric Dickerson, Barry Sanders, Tony Dorsett, and Marcus Allen. Quad jerseys from College Materials. So they're college jerseys, I'm assuming. And final card will go to the Browns. Wow, that auto kind of like, look at that auto. I guess it's alright. Brian Rabitsky. Brian Rabitsky for the Browns, jumbo patch. 2-color patch, part of the patch and then the jersey. I'm getting it's the part of the letters. Patch auto, sorry. Patch auto, numbered 88 out of 99. And that is it. So solid box in my opinion. National Treasures. Definitely the hit is the quad auto. There's the front right there. Let me zoom in. See it better. There's the front. And there's the back. 8 out of 15. So that is it. Hopefully everyone enjoyed. Make sure you check out all the videos. Awesome Mojo pulled. A box of 09 Sterling is coming up. And GSN Cards is out.